tell you a little story. Back in the day, 6 years ago, 11-year-old Daniela really wanted a typewriter. Why? I don't know. But I guess I just really wanted to get a typewriter. I guess to see how it felt to type on it. I don't know. But we ordered one online. I had my dad order one online for me. And from the second he ordered that typewriter online, I was so excited for it to be delivered to my house. Like, I could not wait. I was like fantasizing the second that the delivery person just walked out of that delivery truck and put that box with the typewriter on my doorstep. I was just envisioning it. Back then I loved to like just write all these random stories about things that I fantasized. And I wrote a story about my typewriter, my beloved typewriter, my future beloved typewriter. I was so excited. And then I remember I came home from school one fine day, and there it was. My beloved typewriter had been delivered. And from that moment, I was literally obsessed with that thing. That typewriter and I, we were best friends. We were inseparable. Like, we were best friends. I remember I even made this, I even like typed this promise thing on my typewriter that I would no longer type on a computer, just a typewriter. And it's so ironic because like I'm the type of person that loves technology and like electronics and stuff, but I guess I was just so obsessed with that typewriter that I would no longer just type on a computer. I would do everything on a typewriter. Why? Because I was obsessed. Spoiler alert, I did not keep that promise because, I mean, when you have computers and stuff, you can't really just rely on typewriters because you have computers. And that typewriter has been sitting on my desk for years now, probably since 6 years ago. And today, I am going to try to type on my typewriter for the first time in a long time. Yay! That thing has been sitting on my desk for who knows how long, and today we're going to try it out. So let's go get my typewriter off of my desk and try that thing out because I have no other video ideas. Okay, this thing is really heavy. Okay. Oh. I got it. The cord was stuck behind my desk, so that's just great. I had to pretty much work every muscle to be able to grab it out of there because that was just such hard work. And this typewriter weighs like 1,000,000 pounds. So because I haven't used this typewriter in 6 years, I have been using it, like for all these years I've been using it as a place to store papers on top of. And this is evident because when I was grabbing this freaking heavy typewriter off of my desk, I also had to take a whole bunch of papers off of it because I've been stacking papers on top of it for a really long time. So I guess we have to plug this thing in because it has a plug where you plug it into the wall, and why would it not have that if you didn't have to plug it in? So let's plug this thing in. Wait, I don't have a place to plug it in because my pepper lights are plugged in and so is my radio. So I'm gonna have to unplug my radio for a brief amount of time. So I have it plugged in and the cord is too short because it's pretty much all stretched out just so that it can be in the camera frame because I underestimated how long the cord would be when I was doing my camera setup. So, yeah, okay. So it's all the way stretched out, so let's hope it doesn't break. So just pressing the space bar because my finger was just randomly on the space bar. And it also has an on and off switch, and also why would it not have an on and off switch if you didn't plug it in and if you didn't have to turn it on to use it. So this is the paper that we're going to use. We're going to use the back of some old music that I haven't played in a year. Yeah, I just found this on my desk, or I don't know, but I just found this. We are going to use the back of this to type some stuff. Okay, so I forgot how to load this thing. Wait, how do I load it so that it's, I guess, okay, let's turn it on. Ooh, okay. Let's turn it on. So we turned it on, and I don't remember how to load this thing, so that's what I'm trying to figure out. Oh, okay, so I just put it in here, and then, oh, okay, there we go. I figured out how to load it. Success. Okay. I just typed a C, and that thing is very loud. Okay, oh, okay. Wait, I totally underestimated, like, the margin, because I just hit return, but and then I typed something, but it's like, literally on the very edge. So, okay, let's just type, I don't know, what should we type? Let's just type, hey guys, it's Daniela. For some reason my E key is like not working, and then every time, oh, okay, now it is working, but I have to press it very hard, and like every time I try to press the E button, I accidentally press the key, the D key, so my E's get replaced with a D. So that's just great. So it says, Hidi guys, it's Daniela. Okay, let me just show you. I don't know if I can, hold on. Okay, guys, see that? So I made a little error, and then I tried to type, hey guys, it's Daniela, but all my E's ended up being replaced with E's. Okay, let's just continue that, okay. And today I am trying out my typewriter. Oh, okay. So that little ding, that means that it's time to hit return. But the margins are way off because I did not center it correctly. So, but we're just gonna roll with the punches. Okay. Some of the keys are like falling off. Like, I mean, like the button is still there, but like the part where it tells you what letter it is, it's like falling off. And I'm missing a letter here. I think it's, I don't remember which letter it is. Oh, it's a C. Wait, where did my C key go? Yeah, I'm missing that key. Okay, that's just great. Okay. Okay, I tried to type "Hey guys, it's Daniela," and today I'm trying out my typewriter for the first time in 6 years, but it kind of failed. Yeah, I made a whole bunch of errors. But I am actually shook that this thing is like, it still legit works, because like I've had this thing for 6 years and it's like literally been sitting on my desk. And okay, I'm just gonna type some random letters. Oh, okay, that was not a good idea. Okay, that was not a good idea because all the stamp thingamabobs just got all jumbled up. So I'm not gonna do that. But I'm still gonna type random letters, just slower, so they don't get all jambled up. Okay, okay. This thing is very, very loud. Okay, what should I type now? This is an epic fail. I'm also in like a really weird position because I'm like literally sitting crisscross applesauce, and that's a weird position to be typing. Like I should be like sitting in a chair or something, but I'm not because I am a savage. But we're just gonna roll with the punches. Okay. I don't know what to type next. Okay, yeah, it's kind of annoying because like E is a really common letter that shows up in a lot of words, and I'm pretty sure it's the most common letter that shows up. But of course, the E key on this typewriter is like, I have to press really hard for it to like just even remotely work, and that's just great. So I don't know what to do. Wait, where's the 1 key? There's like literally every number except 1. I just now realized that. I don't know where the 1 key is. Basically, instead of the 1 key, it's like M-R. I don't even know what that means, but whatever. I love hitting return. It is the most fun thing ever. Okay, yeah. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here because I really don't know what to type. No, I really should have like live streamed this so that I can have you guys like tell me in real time what like ideas on things to type. Because I can't exactly have you guys like comment what I should type because like I'm uploading this video after I actually do the thing. So So I'm like running out of ideas on things to type, but I guess that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, then give it a thumbs up anyways, because I am desperate for likes. Yeah. Anyways, I guess that's pretty much it, and I will see you guys, the subscribers and viewers, in my next video, because you guys are my subscribers and viewers, so like, of course, you're gonna watch my next video. Well, I hope you will. And peace out, y'all.